Yo people, this is my MR2 turbo. Like, I think everything works fine on it. I got it a couple of days ago. Doesn't sound like there's anything wrong with it significantly, but look, a little bit of play. I don't even know if you can see that on this video. But when I'm driving it, if I boost off in first or second gear, or any gear really, if I'm boosting, I get a knock. Especially in first gear, if I'm pulling off on a hill start, especially where there's a lot of strain on the engine, I'll get knocks and stuff. Now I've been told this could be an engine mount. At first I thought it was these ones here, left and right. This is the left one. Show you the right one. There it is. I don't know if you can see that. As you can see, they do look like they would need replacing, but after doing some research, it turns out that it's possibly just the rear and front. I'm gonna get some rear shot. Where is it? That one. If anyone's had like a problem where they've been driving, I'll actually try and get it to do it now actually. Bear with me guys. Right, so what you're listening out for is a knock. It's quite a significant knock, it's not, can't really hide it. You hear that? Right, I can hear that perfectly. I'm not sure how it sounds on the camera, but that is exactly what I'm talking about. That knock there. That was the engine lid falling down, don't worry about that. But that is the knock I'm talking about, and I don't like it one bit. I've ordered some new engine mounts, Kirkus something, they're red, 75A Shore stiffness. I've heard that will do the trick. I'm just hoping and praying. If anyone's had this kind of problem in the past, yeah, please let me know. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.